Welcome back to the channel. Today for the Teton we are going to be shimming the diffs. Now let's start with popping that body off. Now let's get to the rear of the vehicle, because that is the differential that's giving me some problems. Off 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws. Okay, and then we're going to pop our shocks off, as well as take these 2 screws out for the bumper. Our camber links, pop those off as well. And 1, 2 more screws for this brace. Now if you could see this play, this is what we don't want, as well as I can see a gap in there. Let's get our shims out. We threw one of our 4x6 millimeter shims. I think that solved it right there. Now let's get to the differential. On either side, before the bearing, you're gonna get one of these. Absolutely no movement side to side at all. Give this thing a bash, see how much better it does. We had to switch to the Red Cat tires. Those other stock tires just weren't getting it.